I know the last video I posted was about the power head for the rainbow vacuum cleaner, and of course I got sidetracked again. I'm trying to get this oven built. That's originally a double wall insert and a freestanding single oven that I've converted into one big oven. And I finally got the PID controller box completed, but I wasn't happy with the way it was set up. It was just too crammed of a spot. So the day after I finished it, I took the box off and stripped everything out of it and started another one. So you can't just have a plain box. So I have some stuff that I'm wanting to add to the front of the box that I can cut out on the plasma table, give it some cool factor. But there's the power head still in the same spot, and maybe sometime today I can get to that. It's like I can't finish one project without starting another one, and then I get wrapped up in that one, and just like the spider web that I did, which was going to be added to the oven, something like that, and a black widow. So anyway, I'll try to get to this power head today. Didn't really seem to have a whole lot of interest in the power head. I don't know if people just don't have any problems with them, but you never know. There might be one or two people that might need some help with it, and I'm thinking it's probably just a belt. I don't know, but I'll try to get to that today and then post that video up too. Y'all have a good weekend.